Good evening, everybody. It's Positive Bluebird. Welcome back to my channel. I have uploaded so many videos, so bear with me. This one is just going to be a little bit casual. I'm going to show you a few chokers that I have made and the prep work that it takes to make a choker. And some of these I'm actually going to make where you could turn it into a headband or a choker. So here we go. Okay, so we're at the dining room table and I'm going to show you a few that I have made over the last few weeks. These, you guys, you can buy in packages of 6 to 8. They come in different colors and a variety of designs from the Dollar Tree. They are headbands, but I have turned them into chokers. I imagine this one could probably be worn as a headband. This is just hot glued beads and buttons. I really love this one. Now in person, instead of camera, you guys, this actually looks sort of like a purplish gray. And so that is why I added this purple button and the blue beads. Isn't that pretty? So again, these could be worn as a choker or a headband. Okay, so that's just a few out of like maybe 15 or 20 that I have made. And now I'm going to pause the video and show you the prepping that I did last night. Okay, so I recycle and reuse a lot of these containers, especially when my son is working at Red Robin Restaurant and he brings home these type of plastic containers. They are awesome, you guys, for using for arts and crafts, just about anything. Okay, so let's open up and see what we've got in here. Alright, so I don't know where this paper mache came from. I can't remember if it was something that my son had shot off for New Year's and these little pieces came out. So of course, recycle and reuse. I hot glue clear or light blue gemstones on top of each color, and then I cut around it. You can hear a dog barking in the background. Oops, there's like a puffball in there. So I just prepped a bunch of these. This one is kind of a pinkish green. Can you see it? Alright, so let's make a choker. Okay, so I grabbed this light pink ribbon, and again, you can find this at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. I have to keep standing on my chair, you guys, because you are up on this selfie stick thing that I made. So I have to keep hopping up and down. So when I start making this choker, it'll be complete silence possibly, because I don't think you guys would hear me. So here we go. Okay, so we have our heated hot glue gun, a gemstone, a button, a hairband / choker, great working scissors, and some ribbon. So here we go. All right, guys, there are dozens more that I have made, and I'm afraid I'm going to run out of tape on this, so I hope you get an idea of the chokers and headbands that I am working on. Sorry for the quality, and I'm sorry if any of these ended up upside down. All right, guys, peace out and stay positive.